September's housing figures indicate it was a strong month for sellers and new record highs in a variety of areas. New listing inventory coming to the market had its first year-over-year gain in 4 months. However, inventory still remains low. Days on the market dipped into single digits in September for the first time in history and an all-time low, a 145.2% change. For the market directly surrounding DC, buyer interest in condos was up, marking a September high for buyer interest. For the Baltimore metro area, townhomes were the choice of buyers, with pending sales up 34.4% and hitting an all-time 10-year high. Montgomery County single-family homes hit a 10-year high. Germantown townhouse prices spiked last month, up 38.1%. Prince George's County also reported a 10-year peak for the second straight month on both attached and detached homes, with Waldorf gaining 18.2% and Upper Marlboro sales reaching a 10-year monthly high last month. It's Friday, October 16th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland. Anne Arundel County continued to remain one of the hottest areas in the entire Baltimore metro market area, with single-family homes selling for a county record average of $485,000. That's up 21.3%. Attached home sales hit an all-time high, up 37.5%, and Laurel saw a 61.7% improvement in sales. Townhomes in Baltimore County sold for a 10-year record price of $236,000, up 7.3%. Owings Mills townhomes exceeding the average and up 7.2%. Baltimore City enjoyed another record month in September. Canton townhome sales were hot, up 135.3%. Howard County's 44.8% gain for townhouse sales outpaced other categories. If you have a question about the market, feel free to call us at 443-776-0996 for up-to-date information to help you make intelligent decisions about the real estate market locally. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. That's it for Friday, October 16th, 2020. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.